Welcome to my channel. I will tell you about top 10 beggars in the world. Let's get started. Number 1. Ted Williams. The US-based beggar Ted Williams was extremely poor and used to get his living earned by begging on the road of Ohio. Ted had the talent of singing but was all unnoticed till a reporter noticed his singing skills and made a video and uploaded it on the YouTube. The video went viral overnight, making him huge famous. The life turned for him and now he is one of the millionaires. Number 2. Rong Feng. He was extremely poor initially and used to sleep on the streets till he met a lady on her noodle shop. She helped him with money to afford food and fares. Gradually, he started up his own business and is so rich now that he repaid the lady with $163 as a thanks. Number 3. Simon Wright. Interestingly, Simon Wright from ASPO is another beggar who was banned from begging but is living a luxurious life as he earns $50,000 a year from strangers' donations and lives in 3-lakh Fulham flat. It is so impressive. Number 4. Ayesha. Ayesha was a 100-year-old woman who died some time back. After her death, when her property was revealed, it was found that she left $1 million asset behind. It was also found that she owned 4 buildings and had jewels and gold coins, making a total of just over $1 million. It is also so impressive. Number 5. Bharat Jain. Another respectful beggar we have on the list is Bharat Jain. He is a resident of India and owns 2 1 BHK apartment in Patel Nagar worth 80 lakhs. He also owns a shop which is on a monthly rent of around 10,000. Jain earns 75,000 rupees per month in Mumbai. It is also enough for him. Number 6. Krishnakumar Gite. Krishnakumar Gite from India is way too rich to be called a beggar as he owns a flat at Nalasopura and also earns around rupees 2,000 a day, which is more than the salary of a few educated people in India. Number 7. Sambhaji Kale. It is interesting to see that even the beggars have done something for their shelter and have invested their own money wisely. Sambhaji is another beggar from India with a flat in Virar, 2 houses and a piece of land in Solapur. He earns around $1,000 a day. Number 8. Sarvatia Devi. Sarvatia Devi from India also have a comfortable apartment near Ashok Cinemas in Patna. She is better in terms of living from many Indians as she is able to pay. She even pays rupees 36,000 annually as an insurance premium. Number 9. Cory. Another motivation for many people who think they cannot do anything in life is Cory. He was a beggar, but then he started working for himself and now delivers newspaper daily on streets. As per the report, he earned up to $100 a day. The last number 10. Unnamed beggar from India. The last we have on our list is an unidentified beggar from India whose name is not disclosed, but as per the news last year, is a dead beggar from India, had many accounts in different banks, and all these accounts had money. The total equity of this beggar made a total of 2 million Indian rupees, which is obviously too much to be expected from a beggar. So that was all. If you like my video, press thumbs up and then press subscribe button and then press bell icon. Thank you.